Whoa, the wind yesterday. Boy, it was a windy day. We will stay on the windy side as we start our work week. That low that brought us the wind yesterday continuing to move off towards the east, and we have another low that'll advance in by tomorrow that'll kick up our wind speed again and bring us a chance at some light mountain snow for our Tuesday. But then on the heels of that, high pressure absolutely dominates. We are well above average with a big warm up coming into our forecast as we head mid to late week. So we have that to look forward to going into the rest of this week. A fairly mild stretch for us. I should say the mild trend continues. Satellite and radar will remain very quiet for our Monday as temperatures climb into the upper 40s, low 50s across the Front Range. Heading up into the high country today, 30s and 40s for afternoon highs. And again, wind speeds a little stronger as we head up into the mountains. As far as Larimer and Weld County neighborhoods, this is where we'll find low to mid 40s for the most part. As you head into that's where we could see some low 40s. Fort Collins, Loveland into Berthoud 46, and then Firestone, Fort Lupton into Frederick. That's where we'll be at about 48 this afternoon. Closer to the Denver metro, Thornton, Berkeley, Sherrillwood, Commerce City, all coming in at 50 for afternoon highs. Aurora about 53 for today. Wind again will relax into the Denver metro this afternoon, which is good news, but we'll still notice some strong winds into the foothills and the high country today. About 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts, not out of the question into the afternoon. And by tomorrow, those wind speeds increase all ahead of that system. That brings that light mountain snow chance for us. Wind speeds stay strong up into the mountains. And as far as the Denver metro is concerned, we could see 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts by tomorrow afternoon. Here's how that all plays out for you on Futurecast. We'll increase a little bit of cloud cover later on this evening and into the overnight hours. And by tomorrow morning, we'll see that snow up into the mountains. Really, the greatest potential for accumulating snow, even still not a ton expected, will remain along and north of I-70. So our northern mountains getting that snow chance. Not ruling out the possibility that we could see a very stray snow shower going into the Denver metro tomorrow afternoon and evening, late afternoon, early evening. The possibility is pretty low. I do believe this Futurecast kind of overshoots that chance for us, but the chance is still there that we could get a little bit going into tomorrow. Of course, would not amount to any accumulation if we do manage to see anything here. Otherwise, it'll just be on the windy side for Tuesday. We stay in the mid 50s by Wednesday, and then that warming trend really cranks up by Thursday. Temperatures heading into the upper 50s, low 60s. That's where we stay through the weekend, well above average. And then looking ahead to next week, Tuesday, which is Christmas Eve, 53 degrees. So I want to pull in our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. It's a 21st to 25th outlook for the month of December. You will notice we are well above normal as far as average temperatures. That includes really the entire western portion of the state. So looking to be a well above average Christmas for us. If you head east, that's where we could see some colder temperatures, likely colder than normal, but we're staying above average by about 10 degrees through the vast majority of this week, 10 to 15 degrees. And winter solstice takes place for us here on the 21st.